Now, using the Natural Plus system is really easy. And in fact, there are 2 simple steps.
Yeah.
And Kelly's going to show you. Well, we're going to show you together. So what you would do is you need to make your personalised whitening trays. So what you do is you boil some water and fill up a cup. Now, allow it to stand for a minute. We've already done the pre-boil and rest. Then what you do is you take one of the whitening trays.
Yeah.
Dip it in the water, immerse it completely until it goes soft and a bit floppy. So you hang on to that and you watch out for when it goes soft and floppy. Once it has, you remove it from the water and you place it around your upper teeth. And then you suck the air out immediately, so like this. And then what you would do, that's from around the teeth, and then press and shape the tray around your gums. So is that gone a bit floppy?
It's gone floppy, yeah.
Give it a bit of a shake.
So pop it in.
Pop it in. Give it a suck. And then just press around the teeth. Now hold it in place for a minute. You just hold it in place. Once you're done, then what you would do is you would run it under cold water to firm and rinse. And you repeat the same process for the lower tray. Finally, you trim off the holder tab. So are we done now? So take it out. Yep,
there
you can see your indentation you've bitten down. Pop it in the cold.
Pop it in the cold to set.
Yep. Give it a bit of a shake. Then you could just trim off this tab here. And anything that's above the line of the teeth, you can trim that off as well. Then what you would do is you'd brush your teeth with the Power Prep toothpaste. I'm not going to make you do that. And it really is as easy as that. And this step, it only takes a few minutes. And you only need to do it once for all your whitening applications. So that's brilliant, isn't it?